Hey guys, welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we are doing Valentine's dinner for two. Before we get started, if you're new here, please show us your support by hitting that subscribe button because simply clicking it is just not enough anymore. Alright, let's jump right in. Let's get cooking. We'll start with the dressing and combine everything except the oil. Try using a tall container to prevent everything from flying all around when we buzz it. And then we'll slowly pour in the oil till it's all emulsified. Preheat your oven to 400 Fahrenheit while you get the vegetables ready. And now we'll cook these in the oven till they are tender. Once the tomatoes and onions are cooked through, season them and add 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of medium grain couscous. So, if you're only cooking half a cup of couscous, only add half a cup of water. Once the water comes to a boil, add the couscous, turn off the stove and cover it with a lid. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes for it to cook and puff up. Once we sear the lamb, we'll brush it with the Chipotle sauce and finish it in the oven. Depending on the thickness, it will take about 3 to 4 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit for it to cook to medium rare. And before you ask me where the lamb sauce is, it's right in the pan. I'm cooking it right now. And now we'll do the exact same process with the salmon, and this will take about 4 minutes to finish in the oven. it's plate up time. If you enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And you can also check out our Super Bowl special video from last week. We will link it in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a lovely day.